Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Prataksha, and today I am going to teach you mathematics. So I am going to ask you questions. If you know the answer, please answer it in a complete statement. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So first question is, what is the shape of your classroom?
The shape of our classroom is cuboid.
Very good. So if all sides of a cuboid are equal, then which type of shape will it form?
If all sides of a cuboid are equal, then it
Yes.
will become cube.
Very good. So what is the formula for volume of cube?
The formula for volume of cube is side into side into side, or we can write it as cube.
Very good. So how will you find side of a cube if volume of cube is 512 centimeter cube?
We can find side of a cube by taking cube root of volume 512
Very good.
centimeter cube.
So how will you find cube root of a number? Okay, students, today we are going to discuss about cube root in details. Let us solve few examples based on cube root. First question is, find the cube root of 216. So tell me, what is 216 a even number or an odd number?
Ma'am, it is an even number.
Okay, very good. So for finding cube root of 216, first express 216 as product of prime. We take the prime factors of 216. For this, let us draw this. Now, since this is an even number, so what is the lowest prime number divisible by 6?
2.
2. So now 2, we will 2 ones are 2, then 1 is there 0, then 6 will be 2 8s are 16. So this will become 108. Now again it will be divisible by 2 because last one's place is even number.
Even.
Okay, so again 2. Now 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8, 54. Now again here is it unit digit is even number
Even number.
because
So
number
it will
and
be divisible.
very good, divisible by 2. So again 2
2.
2 2s are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. Okay, now this time unit
Ma'am.
one's place is 7, so it
Odd
will be,
number.
yes, odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2, so it will be divisible by 3. Next prime number is 3, so 3 nines are 27. Again now 3 threes are 9, then 3 ones are 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after taking the prime factors of 216, we will make a triplets. So we can write this as a prime factors. This is the symbol of cube root. So cube root of 216 is equal to cube root. These are the factors. So we write it under the cube root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This we have written in this. Okay. Now make the triplet. See, 1, 2, 3. This is a make a group of triplet. This is a group again 1, 2, 3 triplet. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now from each triplet, take out the common factor. So here from this triplet 2 is taken and from this triplet one factor 3 is taken. Now 2 into 3 is
6.
6. So 6 is the cube root of number 216. So if you multiply 6 3 times, you will get the same answer. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's solve another example. Find cube root of 2744. Now tell me, is this a even number or an odd number?
Ma'am, it is an even number.
Very good. Again, for finding the cube root of 2744, first we express this number as a product of prime. Again, since what is the ones place here? 4.
4. It's an even number.
So we will divide it by the 2. So again 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and 2 sevens are 14 and 2 twos are 4. So it will after this we will get 1360. 72. Again, the last digit is 2. So it will be divisible by 2. Again, okay. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, and 2 6 are 12. What will come? 6 8 6. Again, last digit is 6. So it will be divisible by 2. So after dividing, 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6. Now 3 4 3. uh, uh, Last digit is 3. Is it divisible by 3? No, because 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. 13. 13 is not there in the table of the 3. So we will take the, and it will not be divisible by 5. Why? Because the last term is not 0 or 5. So we will take the next prime number 7. So 7 4s are 40, then 9s are. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 7 49s are 3 4 3. Then 49, 7 7s are 49, and 7 1s are 7. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now after taking, we express this as a product of, this is the symbol of cube root. So we can write 2744 as like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Again, we will make the triplet of the same prime. See, here 2 is 3 times, so we have grouped them. Again, 7 7 7 pairing. Now from each triplet we will take the number common. So here 2 is taken and 7 is taken. So 2 sevens are 14. So 14 is the cube root of 2744. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see another example. This time, evaluate cube root of 125 into 64. Now, what does this symbol represent? This symbol?
Under root.
It is a cube root. The sign denotes cube root. Okay. So again, for solving this, we can write cube root 125 into 64 as, we can separate this. Cube root 125 into cube root 64. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, we will take the separate cube root of 125 and 64. First, here 125, 5. We will take one by one. Okay. Let us take the first one, 5. 125, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5 1s are. Okay. Again, 64, since the last digit is 4, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We have done the prime factors of 125 and 64. Now again, we can express these prime factors as, see, we can, this is the symbol of cube root 125. We can write it into 5 into 5 into 5. And for 64, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now again, we will make the triplet. See, 5 5 5, one group is there. Again, in this, we will take triplet. 1 2 2. 3 2s make a triplet. Again, this is a triplet. Now, from each triplet, we will take the common. From this, only one triplet is there. So, we will take 5. From here, this 2 is taken and this 2 is taken. So, this will become 2 2s are 4. Is it
4.
clear? Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
we put these value in this. See, as we know that we can write this as cube root of 125 into cube root of 64. What is the value of 125? Cube root of this. So 5 into 4.
5.
Yes, and cube root of 64 is 4. So 5 4s are 20. So what is the value of this? Is the 20. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see another example. Evaluate cube root of 125 divided by 512. Again, what does this symbol represent?
Cube root.
Very good. So, how can we find this? So, again, this is in the division. So, we can separate it as numerator becomes cube root of 125 upon cube root of 512. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, we will take the separate cube root of 125 and 512. So again, since here in 125, one's place is 5, so it will be divisible by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, again 25, 5 5s are 5 1s are. Now for again in 512, here, what is the last digit? 2. So it will be divisible by 2. 2 2s are, 2 2s are 4, then 1 2 5s are 10, then 2 8s are 16. Again, last digit is 6, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and 2 8s are 16. 128, again 2 64s are, then 2 32, then 2 1s are 2, and 2 6 are 12. 16, 8, then what will come? 4, then 2 2s are
2.
4, and 2 1s are 2. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now now we will express in the 125 as 5 root 5 into 5 into 5. Now, and 512 as you just write it like this: 2 into 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 2. Is it clear? How many times? 1, 2,
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Is it clear? Now we will make a triplet of
Yes, ma'am.
each term. So here group 2, this is the group of triplet, and this is the group of triplet. In this only one triplet is there, so we have taken 5 outside. So what is the cube root of 125 is 5. Now for this 512, from this triplet we have taken 2 here, from this triplet we have taken 2, and from this 2. Now multiply these the products: 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8.
8.
So 8, the value of cube root of 512 is 8. Now we put the value, these values here. So we can write this as cube root of 125 upon cube root of 512. Now what is the value of cube root of 125? Is
5.
5. So 5 upon 8, because 8 is the answer of 512 cube root of. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, we have just now solved the 4 questions based on this. So what is common in these questions?
That we take out cube root by the rules. The rules are same in all the questions.
And what is the rule?
First, we will take the product of the prime. Then we
Yes.
will make groups of them.
Yes.
Triplets we will form. From that triplets, we will take one as a product common, and then we will after that, when we will do the pairing, then we will add them. No, we will not add them.
Multiply.
We will do. Yes, sorry.
Okay. So for to find the cube root by prime factorization method, first step is express the number as the product of prime. Okay. Then second step is make the triplets of the same prime. Okay. Then step 3 is find the product of prime, one from each triplets. From each triplets we will take the number. Then product is the cube root of the number. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's see what we have learned today. First question is find the cube root of 729. How will you find?
First, ma'am, we will do the prime
Prime factors.
factorization method. We will take the smallest number by which it will be. Then we will factorize it. Then we will make their triplets.
Triplets. Yes.
After that triplets, we will take common,
One.
and then we will do product. And
Very
then
good. The required value is the answer of the 729. Okay. Now, how will you find the cube root of 1000?
same as we have done for the first one, we will take out the prime factorization. Then we will make triplets. Then we
Yes.
will take common,
out.
and then we
Yes.
will do the product and answer.
Answer. Oh, very good. How will you find the cube root of 1728?
Ma'am, then also we will do the same thing, do the prime factorization, and then we will take the triplets, and then we will take common, and then we will do the product and answer.
Very good. So evaluate cube root of 216 into 343. How will you do this?
In this question, we will first break them into two parts. We will make 216.
Cube root of 216 into cube
Yes,
root of
216
3.
and
Yes,
343, and then we will do same as we have done in other question. We will prime
yes,
factorization, then triplets, and then common, and then we will do the product.
yes, very good. How will you find the value of cube root of 27 upon 64?
In this also we will separate them by 27, uh,
Cube root of
27 as a separate term and 64 as a separate term, and then we
yes,
will do the prime factorization, and then we will write it as a division thing
very
when
good,
the answer will come.
very good. Okay, let's take a quick recap what we have discussed today. Fill in the blanks. First one is the symbol. This denotes what?
It denotes cube root.
Very good. So cube root of a into b can also be written as cube root of a into b is equal to what?
A into B.
Cube root of a into cube root of b.
A
Very good.
into cube root of B.
Very good. So cube root of a upon b can be written as what?
It can be written as cube root A
A.
upon cube root of B.
Very good. Well, find the cube root of 8.
It will be 2.
Very good. The cube root of 1331 is what?
It will be 11.
Very good. Okay, class, this is your homework. Evaluate. You have to find the cube root of 9261. Next is cube root of 3375. And next, cube root of 8000. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.